Down South Done, back with another video. So today I want to just kind of talk to you guys about a topic that somebody brought to my attention. And basically, it's a handlebar fitment. So on this bike, which is my bike, is factory 47 handlebars. And a lot of people say, hey, what size bars do I go with? I'm such and such tall or yay tall, whichever. So for me, I'm 6'4", and a lot of times it has to do with your arm length. And as far as I'm concerned, for comfort, if you're gonna be riding the bike, a touring bike especially, over a long period of time, and you want your hands to be comfortable, you don't want your fingers to fall asleep, then you're looking at, you want your arms to be at least about shoulder height. So from here to here, about just a nice straight line straight across, or slightly downward. If you go any higher, like a 16-inch, 18-inch, then it's not really comfortable over the highway. So 14 inches is perfect for me. I'm comfortable. I have more control in order to be able to maneuver the motorcycle, and my elbows are not in the way of my body. So with that tip, anytime that you're sizing, or say for instance the base of the handlebars, measure from the base of the handlebars and measure straight up and to your shoulder height. And within that inch or 2 inches, that's where you want to be, at least to where your arms are flat out. And I'm going to show you another example of me on a bike with taller handlebars. All right, so off to the second motorcycle. So this is a street glide, and with the street glide, this is 16-inch handlebars. With these 16-inch handlebars, as you can see, when I put my arms up, my arms are set a little bit higher. Now, it's going to be a little different from the road glide versus the street glide because of the close proximity of the, fairing. So, with the fairing being so close, I don't really have a lot of room to maneuver with. So it's kind of like up and high. But could I ride it like this? Yes. Could I be comfortable? Possibly. But I would prefer to be at least even or slightly downward to be able to rest and keep the blood flow to my fingers. And that makes a difference whether your fingers are cold in the wind or not, especially when you don't have that protection from the wind, with the handlebars being so high. So that's my take on it. You got any questions? DownSouthDone.com. I do sell factory 47 bars. I am an authorized dealer. So pretty much get anything you want. You can text me and chat with me through the website. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm out.